In this video, we are going to see how we can extract the balance sheet report. As we can see here, we have already extracted the profit and loss report. I'll just go back to the main gateway of Tele, and from here on the face of this gateway, I can see this balance sheet report. Now, once we click here, we can only see the tabular format, but that is the old statement style. We want to convert it in the statement style or the vertical style. And also, if you notice, we can only see the group reports and not the individual ledgers or individual accounts. So if you want to see the detailed report, I'll just hold the alternate key in my keyboard and press F1. So that should show you the ledger individual details, but still it is in the table format. I want to convert it into the statement or vertical format. On the right hand bottom corner, we can see this configure option. Just click here and we can convert this one to show vertical balance sheet. It's set to no. I'll change it to yes and press Ctrl A. And now we can see the vertical format of the balance sheet, which shows the fixed assets, current assets and liabilities and all the other stuff. And as we know the accounting equation, capital is equal to asset plus liabilities. So it's showing according to that. If we want to export this, I'll just click on the export from the top and choose the current report. And we want to extract it in the detailed format. The vertical sequence will be followed. It will be in the PDF format, but if we want to, let's say, change it to Excel format, I'll just click on configure, and there we can make all the customizations, including the file format. In the file format, I'll just hit enter so that we can see all the other options. As you can see, you can also convert it in JPEG format if you want to, but since Excel is more convenient for me, I'll change it to this. Also, folder path, we will change it to our customized folder path. I'll just go one step up and again one step up. And in the C drive, I've created a separate folder named Tele Reports. I'll place it here. Just select it once. If you want to change the file name, you can change it from here directly as well. Otherwise, if all done, just go back by pressing escape, and now we can export it. So once it is exported, it will automatically open it for you. And this is how you can extract the balance sheet report in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.